We're not wired to be constantly connected. I recently read the book Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport, who's a computer science professor at Georgetown University in Washington, DC. Professor Newport is a specialist in computer science. One of the things he said in his book that resonated with me was the fact that as human beings, we're not actually wired to be wired. You're probably thinking, what does that mean? As human beings, over the last 15 years or so, we've started to see technology becoming more ingrained in our day-to-day operations. Whilst technology delivers benefits to streamline processes and documentation, it does come at a cost. That cost is the relationships around us, the relationships with your colleagues, the relationship with your family and your friends. It seems like we're constantly distracted when we're not really wired to be on 24/7. As you go through your day-to-day, why don't you think about what you can do to make sure that you're not constantly wired, that you're not constantly on, and that you're actually giving yourself time and space to focus on things that matter to you most, whatever they might be. When you allow yourself time and space to be disconnected from technology, even if it's just to get an urgent report or task done, you just might be surprised at how fast you get things done.